Mr. Gavaskar, who is our resource person for ATAL FTP on cloud device. So Mr. Gavaskar, yes, is an accomplished IT professional, academic with 14 years of experience in IT industry and a decade of teaching experience in St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. And also he holds a BTech in Information Technology from Anna University and Master degree in Networks and Internet Engineering from Sarabia University. He has gained experience in various technologies and holds multiple certifications including Microsoft Azure, AWS Solution Architect, several associate level certifications in cloud computing, big data, cloud security from Alibaba Cloud. His innovative work has recognized globally with various awards such as Innovation Award at Alibaba Cloud Global Polar DB Hackathon 2023 and the third prize in Alibaba Cloud Low Code Competition on 2022 and multiple innovation awards in Alibaba Cloud Global AI Challenges. His contributions to cloud community has earned his title of Most Valuable Professional of Alibaba Cloud and Global Ambassador. So beyond his professional achievements, he is an active writer, course creator, contributing to platforms like Quora, Reddit, Alibaba Cloud Blog. He has introduced several courses in collaboration with Alibaba Cloud Academy, further cementing his role in a thought leader in the field of cloud technologies. It's honor to welcome Mr. Gavaskar, yes, with us today. His contribution of cloud computing community are truly inspiring and we anticipate a thought-provoking session.
Thank you, madam.
Hello. Sorry. Okay. Thank you, madam, for giving a long introduction about myself. On behalf of myself and IntelliConsys and on behalf of current institution where I am working, is Andhra Pradesh. I like to welcome all the participants for this 7-day leadership program on cloud and DevOps. So today we will be going to see about how to work with multiple clouds. That is, I hope you know that different cloud service providers are available in the market. What are the different cloud service providers available in the market? AWS, Azure, then Google Cloud, IBM Cloud is there, then Alibaba Cloud is there. So mostly I am Alibaba Cloud. I am MVP of Alibaba Cloud. So I am going to mostly I am going to focus on Alibaba Cloud. How to implement cloud DevOps in Alibaba Cloud, as well as how we can implement the same solution in AWS. So mostly I am a multi-cloud expert. I have, as the madam mentioned, I have different certifications, different associate level certification from Microsoft Azure. Then different, I am a certified solution architect from AWS, as well as I have multiple certification from Alibaba. So that's short introduction. Now I have changed the topic a little bit. You see here, cloud native DevOps. That's what. So topic is cloud native DevOps. Rather cloud native DevOps, I think it is a cloud application. So now you have to know why we are moving to automation. What is the reason? You have to consider in an organization perspective. If your organization is what? Big companies, forces, or things like that. So why automation is preferred? What's the reason? Begin with. You know, main reason behind the the automation is increasing the productivity. So ultimate aim is all the organizations has to increase the productivity and they have to reduce the cost. That is the main reason behind why automation is required. Okay. So the topic is either can cloud DevOps. DevOps is nothing but set of automation tools we are going to use, and it is done between the collaboration between the development team and operation team. I hope you may learn this with the previous sessions. Yes. So now cloud automation. This is nothing but we are going to have some automation tools. That's what we call cloud automation. So don't be confused with the topic. Okay. So this is the topic. So already you got a short introduction about myself. I have worked as since a assistant professor at the same institute for 10 years. Then 5 years I worked in corporate. Again, in that 5 years, 3 years I worked with multi-cloud technologies. That is, I already mentioned that Alibaba Cloud, AWS, and Azure. Implementation, both implementation as well as post creation also. Since the company where I work, it is the academic partner of Alibaba Cloud. We have implemented multiple courses with Alibaba Cloud. Okay. Now, recently for 2 years I worked in abroad as an enterprise content manager system. And recently I joined exam. Okay. That's a short introduction of myself. You can see more about me in the LinkedIn profile. These are the few certifications I have. So, moving to the agenda of the day. So, we are going to see. Already everyone may be knowing about what is cloud. Again, if you have a short introduction about Alibaba, this is introduction about cloud. Then, introduction to cloud automation. So, what is cloud automation we are doing? So, here, if you search in the Google, cloud, anyone have searched this keyword, cloud automation? What will come? That I am doing. Okay. So, if you type cloud automation in Google search, it will display list of tools available, list of automation tools available. In the first automation tool, it will display is Terraform. Okay. I hope already you got a session on Terraform. Okay. So this is what is cloud automation I will explain. Then I will explain about what is Alibaba Cloud. I hope everyone may be not familiar with Alibaba Cloud. You may hear about AWS, you may hear about Azure, you may hear about Google Cloud. But what is Alibaba Cloud? I am going to explain. Okay. Then I am going to explain about short introduction about what is AWS. So AWS is the one who introduced pay-as-you-go model. So what is pay-as-you-go model? That's very important. Terms you have to know in cloud computing. So you are going to pay for the resources what you have used. You are not going to pay for unused resources. So that concept is implemented by AWS. Okay, that's it. Okay, then set up automation tools available. So I have categorized the tools as 3 categories. So many automation tools are there. If you go to the net and research now, you can find 100 plus automation tools. Okay, learning all the tools again it is very difficult. You cannot learn all the tools. So I have categorized the tool into 3 categories. So I will explain the 3 categories and what are the tools available in that 3 categories. Then what is infrastructure as a code? I hope you already learned this. What is infrastructure as a code? Again, we will be having a short introduction about Terraform Cloud. So nowadays, Terraform has come with a new concept that is Terraform Cloud. So it is very easy to deploy an application. Okay. So you have to create a Terraform Cloud account. Just you have to upload the Terraform file in the Terraform Cloud account. Just by mouse click, what you can do is you can create a infrastructure. Either in AWS or in Azure or in Alibaba. You understand? It's very simple. You have to know this. The industry is this kind of service. Okay. As a student, now you are going to learn this. You have to learn by using Terraform CLI. You hear about Terraform CLI? What is CLI? Command line interface. So you have to write the command plan. If you want to plan the deployment, plan. If you want to destroy the deployment, destroy. If you want to create an infrastructure, create. So set of commands you have to learn. But you see, you have to know when you are moving to the industry, you have to increase the productivity. Yes, that's our aim. So if you are searching the command, if you are typing the command, if you are doing this, what will happen? It will increase decrease the cost as well as the time. So we are ready step. So Terraform has come up with this wonderful tool. That's what Terraform Cloud. So I show you how to create account in Terraform Cloud. Okay. Then you see demo. Since I show how to, I'm trying to show how to create Alibaba Cloud. Okay. So since you are new, but time will not permit for this. Then creating a Jitka buffer. Already you don't have Jitka buffer. Jitka is a very important tool as a faculty. Okay, I am not taking as an industry person of thing. Since I am a faculty, I am also few with your community. Yes. So as a faculty, this tool is very important for you. Why the reason is you may be getting some projects, ME or MTech projects. Yes, sir. So what you can do? How many in a project batches should be there? In a batch, 4 students should be there, 5 students should be there. Okay. So what you can do? You can create a Jitka buffer. You can ask the student to create a Jitka buffer, and they can collaborate. They can collaborate and they can do the project. Okay. So if there is an error in a C program, in that you are doing project in C++ or Java, in that your team is developing project in Java. So now some issue is there in the coding. So what you can do now, the student will be uploading the project in the GitHub. What you can do at the same time, you can run the program in your machine and you can check the code and you can correct the code. So as a faculty, community, we should be thorough GitHub. You should not be thorough. It's not yet okay. Again, you see here, for GitHub also, you do not want to type in comments. So again, we are increasing the productivity there. Again, few setup tools are there. GitHub desktop is one of the tools. Where by using few mouse click, what we can do is we can push the coding to the repository. We can pull the coding to the repository. We can commit the coding to the repository. All the things we can do. You understand? So here, so I will be explaining GitHub. If time is there, I will be explaining source tree. This is one of the best tool. I will be explaining source tree. Dot it is another tool. Like this, many GitHub tools are there. These are the tools we use in the industry. Can be explained this. And finally, how to create an infrastructure in Alibaba. Okay, we are going to see how to create an infrastructure, how to create a virtual private cloud. So, what is virtual private cloud? Anyone? What is VPC? What is VPC? You may have this, no? Virtual private cloud. What is it? This is very simple. You are going to create a private infrastructure in the cloud service provider. That's we tell as virtual private cloud. So virtual private cloud, what will be there? Of course, there will be a router and switches will be there. Okay, router and switches will be there. It is similar, no? It is a LAN network. Okay, similar to this LAN, no LAN network is there, no similar to LAN network. So I am going to create a VPC in Alibaba cloud. That one you see, I am going to create in China. Okay, Alibaba cloud is a China based company, so I am going to create a VPC in China. Now, same way, I am going to create instance in AWS by using the Terraform. Okay. How I am running the Terraform code is by using Terraform Cloud. What are the things that you know? Okay. So this is a short introduction. Short agenda. You have prepared. Let us do. Okay. So, moving to what is cloud? It is a on-demand delivery of resources. So this their on-demand is very important. If you are telling that just delivery of service, it is not right. Why? Why on-demand? You are getting the resource when it is needed. Again, you are going to pay only for the utilization. If you are utilizing for 1 second, you are going to pay for 1 second. Normally, in all the cloud service provider, it is what? It's per second fee. 1 second. 1 second, this is the price. If you are using for 1 hour, you have to pay for 1 hour. Okay, that's it. So, delivery of on-demand resources through internet we tell us cloud. Okay. So, I am not going to have more introduction about this since everyone is very familiar. Okay. So now, what are the advantages of cloud? So here, reliability is there. So I am here also I am not going to explain all of this. Here I will explain only the answer to this agility. Okay. So reliability. So your service will be reliable. Why it is reliable? Why it is reliable? Since the service which you are deploying it will be automatically deployed in multiple zones. So service is present in multiple zones. So if one zone is what? Zone problem is there, it will be the property application will be running from the another zone. That is reliability. Scalability, I know that. So here scalability, both it is possible vertical scaling as well as horizontal scaling. Okay. So vertical scaling means what? We can increase number of virtual machines. We can increase number of virtual machines. And what is horizontal scaling? Number of resources. Okay, that's what. Initially, if you are using 1 GB RAM, you can upgrade to 2 GB RAM. If you are using 2 GB, you can upgrade to 3. That is what we tell as scalability. Elasticity, again the same. Then, agility is a very, very important concept. Why we are going to cloud? So, what is agility? We can create application within a minute. Okay. Here I can tell one example to you. So most of them are computer science faculty or computer science students. So you think that if you want to create a PHP application, you think that you want to create a PHP application. Yes, correct? What are the steps you have to follow? What are the steps you have to follow? So you understand the question what I'm saying? So you have to create a PHP application in your local machine. You think that, don't think about cloud or anything else. Okay? In your local machine, what you have to do? First you have to download server, SAM server or WAM servers. Now it is SAM. Okay, SAM. XAMPP. Okay, Apache, MySQL, PAL, PHP. All the things will be installed if you are downloading and installing SAM server. Yes. Then what you have to do? You have to create a directory. Where you have to create a directory? In AICTE task. Yes. Then you have to create a database. Then you have to insert the value, update the value, go and do the cloud operation, everything. Yes or no? How long it will take? How long it will take? That's the thing. Agile. How long it will take? Minimum 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. You have to download SAM. You have to install SAM in your machine. Yes. Then what you have to do? Then you have to configure this and that you have to configure. Minimum it will take 15 to 20 minutes. But by using cloud, a service will be there. Just by a click, we can create a SAM server. And you can deploy the application also. You understand? This is a main advantage why organization or industries are going to cloud. Okay, you have to know this. You understand? So, application can be deployed quickly. Within the minutes, that's the thing that you have to know. Within the minutes, you can deploy the applications. Okay. And geo distribution again. What is geo distribution? You can deploy the application anywhere. Okay, in this you have to know one more example here. You are suppose you think that you have created a video streaming application. You have created a video streaming application, and more number of proximity user is present in Singapore. Yes, more number of users in Singapore. So what you can, where you can deploy the application? You can deploy the application in the Singapore region. If you are deploying the application in India, what will happen? They will experience a delay. Okay, and throughput also, there will be less throughput and the delay will be there. So we can reduce that by deploying the application in any of the region where we are willing to deploy the application. Okay. So now this is something value. Now listen. So today is cloud automation. Okay. So I already mentioned that both are not different. Cloud DevOps is not different from cloud automation. Both are same. Okay. Now we see cloud automation. Refer to the implementation of tools and process. Mostly we are going to implement tools and process to reduce the manual information. So you see, one manual process you are going to reduce. Okay. So you are going to provision the hardware as well as configuring the hardware, everything. We are going forward. Automation. So for provisioning the server or provisioning the infrastructure, what is the tool? Can you tell me anyone who may not understand? Or creating a provisioning the hardware. What's the tool? Or provisioning the resource. Therefore, configuration and script. So we can use Ansible. So what is you have to know the difference again. What is provisioning and what is configuration? Configuring is what and provisioning is what. Provisioning is nothing but creating a resource. Creating a virtual machine. It is what provisioning. Configuration what is that? Installing an application. It may be SAM server. It may be Apache Tomcat server. Okay. Installing or it may be a IA server. Installing some application in the server is known as what? Okay, that you have to know clearly. So this is what cloud automation. So now we are going to various cloud automation tools available or cloud DevOps tools available. Okay. So GitHub is one of the very important tools available. Okay, I will tell you an example also in my real experience. Okay, I have started programming during the year 2005. No, it's not 5, 2007. Okay. So I started my programming in maybe 6.0. Then I learned .NET. Okay, I share my experience for you. That's what. Previously, you see, I am speaking about 15 years back. You think that we have 5 developers. So 5 developers. We will be developing program in .NET. Okay. So 5 developers, what they will do? They will develop their coding where? In their individual machine. Yes? But it is one project. Yes, you understand? It's one project. They will be developing their project in individual machine. Now we see there will be 1 or 2 persons who will tell us they will do the task of implementation. Yes, implementation. What they will do? What the implementation team will do? They will collect all the project from individual developers. They will collect all the project from the individual developers and they will combine in their mission. How they will collect is, I will tell you, I am speaking about ATAL already. I am speaking about 2006 That is what we will do now. We will use CD drive. Mostly there is no pen drive. We will be using CD drive. We will be getting the program in CD drive from all the developers and the implementation team will be getting the programs and they are combining the program in a machine. Now you see the problem here is sometimes from the one developer I will get 1 year one week back coding. The current coding is not updated. Now what will happen? The actual project is there, actual project is not there. You understand? Then again we have to continue the process. It's a very tedious process. Now this is made very simple. Our developers life is made very simple by using GitHub. So now what we can do? This implementation team, whatever thing implementation team is doing now, this is done by GitHub. You understand? By using you are thinking, yes, no? Why that they know? Since I have experience, I am telling this, but you may not have developing some project experience, so you don't know. Since you are a new generation, you know GitHub back, but we know we are implementing the project manually. That's it. Yeah, speaking about 2007, 8, that. Okay. So it's a very difficult process. You see, again, after compiling the program, we know that this is not the latest code. Again, we have to get the latest coding from the machine. We have to compile this. Again, we have to implement the process. This is a very tedious process. That is what reduced the task is reduced by using this one. Okay. Then there are some, I hope already know that, Chef and Simple Jenkins. The continuous integration, continuous delivery, we use Jenkins. Then Docker, Kubernetes. So now short introduction about Alibaba Cloud. It is a cloud computing company and it is a subsidiary of Alibaba Group. I hope everyone know this. Then this is founded in the year 2009 and headquarters in Singapore. And you see it is number 1 in Asia Pacific region. That's something you have to know clearly. You know. We are. India is in Asia Pacific. So in Asia Pacific, Alibaba Cloud is the number 1 service provider. But if you consider worldwide, which is the number 1 service provider worldwide? AWS. What is the market share of AWS? 50? Around 53. Around 51, 53 is the market share for AWS. And what is the market share for Azure? Around 21 to 20%, 22 or 23% market share. Then what is the market share for Google Cloud? Again, it is 1 to 6%. What is the market share of Alibaba Cloud? Again, it is 1 to 6%. Both are competing. Alibaba Cloud as well as the Google Cloud is competing. Okay. Then IBM Cloud is there. Again, it is partly 4 to 5%. Then again, Oracle cloud is there. Again, it is hardly 3 to 4%. Okay. So in where the global leader of cloud service provider is what? AWS. Okay, that you get. This is not made up. Then AWS. Okay, AWS. I hope you don't know about AWS. What is AWS? Amazon Web Service. It is a number one cloud service provider available in the market. Okay. So the basic concept is implemented by AWS. That you have to know. Okay. AWS was one of the first company to introduce pay-as-you-go computing model. This computing model is introduced by AWS. So now, again you have to know the global infrastructure of Alibaba. Since I have Alibaba cloud background, I have to explain that also to you. So what is global infrastructure? What is global infrastructure? If I don't consider Alibaba cloud, you can consider any cloud service provider. What is the global infrastructure? Set up data centers, person in Galway. Okay. You see, AWS have data center in Hyderabad. Again, we have data center in Mumbai. Okay. So, how many data centers are available globally? That is what infrastructure. Then, what is availability zone? What is availability zone? Inside the data center, how many multiple what? Different data centers are available. Multiple copies are services are available. That is what we tell us what source availability zone. A is start with the that is available. So here 89 availability zone is there and 30 geographical region is there. Okay. So what is this? So you learned this already? Any resource person sees this? There was concept. No, first we have to know software development. That's the big thing. Okay. So you see, before moving to DevOps, you have to know what is SDLC. What is SDLC? Software development lifecycle. Okay, software development lifecycle. Can you tell me some models? Software development lifecycle model. What? Everyone will tell. What? Then. Spiral model. Spiral model. D model, COCOMO model, like this, many models are there. Okay. So before moving to DevOps, you have to know clearly about software development lifecycle. Okay. It's a traditional knowledge. Okay. You see, software development lifecycle, what are the phases are there? Planning, designing, building, testing, supply. Okay. So now, if you are moving to DevOps, what are you going to do here? In all these phases, you are going to implement some automation tools. That's it. You understand? So in building phase, I will be implementing container system. Testing phase, I will be implementing some testing tools. Okay, JUnit testing tools there. Then Kuba is another testing tool. Like this, many tools are there. Okay. So you see, deployment phase again. Deployment phase also continuous integration, continuous delivery will be. Jenkins will be there. You understand this? So this is not a new concept. Okay, there was damn very new DevOps, development team, operation team, both will collaborate. But it comes from where? Software development. Okay, so this is an important thing you have to know clearly. No? So we are not replacing what? Software development cycle. That's the thing you have to know here. In the software development life cycle, you are going to implement what? Set of automation tools. So that what will be done? Productivity will be increased. Cost will be reduced. This is the thing you have to know. Okay. So most of the you see for interview also. So I have experience in interviewing for DevOps. No? I have experience in a past organization. So if they ask SDLC, nobody will answer. If you ask DevOps, they will answer all the tools. What are the tools used? Everything they will answer. But if you ask what is SDLC, they don't. You understand? That's the thing you are. It's a key thing you are doing. Okay. Now you see waterfall model. What is waterfall model? What is the first phase? You have to analyze the requirement from the client. Okay. Then you have to design the system, implementation, testing, deployment, maintenance. Okay, this is waterfall model. Again, nowadays we are not using waterfall model also. We are using agile methodology. Okay, that I will explain to this slide. Okay. So this is old model, waterfall model. Okay. So again, you see, if any problem is there, again we have to go to the top and again we have to agree again. Okay. So here, this is a waterfall model. I hope everyone. This is a traditional model. Okay, I am speaking about 10 to 15 years back. We are using this model. In many of the organizations, the waterfall model is used. Okay, this is the agile methodology. So what is agile methodology again? This is very very important nowadays. So you see, I hope you everyone may be knowing your full stack development. What is full stack development? All the things will be done by the team. You understand? Previously, you see, for front end, separate team will be there. Back end, separate team will be there. Database, logic, everything separate team will be there. Now, each and everyone has to know everything. Right? You see, different team will be there. They will be planning, requirement analysis will be there, design will be there, build will be there, and testing will be there. Okay? Planning will be there. There's different teams are there. You see, iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, like that. You understand this is something that software agile methodology. Again, I am not going in detail about this. Okay. This is very, very important. What are the downfalls? Already I mentioned. What are the downfalls? Main downfall of traditional software development methodology. What is the downfall? Cost will be high. Productivity will be reduced. Okay. Black box code developers and operation team lead to a finger point. So this is another thing. So you see, who is developer? One who writes the code. Who is the operation team? One who implement the code. Okay. So here, cut-off point will be there between developer and the implementation. Developer will tell that I just want the recent code. You are done the mistake. And operation team will tell that you have given outdated code. You are done the mistake. So they will finger fine. Okay, understand? This will go for nearly 15 to 20 days. You understand? So that the productivity will be reduced. Okay. So that's what developer don't know what is happening in the operation team, what is done in the operation team. And similarly, operation team don't know what is happening in the development phase. This is what we tell as black box. So that what will happen is cut-off will be there or finger pointing will be there. Okay, so development team know they tell that you are done the mistake, and the operation team will tell that I have done my part. You have given me the outdated code. They will tell like, okay, this is the thing. Okay. Then long time to market. What is this long time to market? I told already. So there is a cut-off between what? Development team, operation team, and it will last for 15 days, 20 days to identify who had done the mistake. So it is our duty. It is our job to identify who has done the mistake. We have to increase the productivity. Yes or no? So it will reduce the time to market. So that the product development, it will reduce. So if you want to implement the project in near to this month end, it will take another 1 month. It will go on there. You understand? See, that's the thing, no? It takes long time to identify and fix a problem. Why? Why it will take long time to identify and fix a problem? Since there is no automation, manually we have to do that. You know that if you are doing something manually, it will take more time. That's it. Now we see lack of automation leads to non-consistency in full-time development model. What is this full-time development model? Can you tell anyone? You learn about blue-green requirement. Previously, you learned anyone teach about blue-green requirement. So full-time development is nothing but build is nothing but it is what testing phase. Okay. You see, some in the older days, no, in the testing phase, the project will be running back. There is no issue. When you are deploying the client machine, no, it will not work. This is the problem. This will tell us what? Not consistency. So your program is working in your machine. You are developing the program in your machine. It is working fine. There is no issues. But when you are deploying the client side, what is happening? It is not working. Okay. This is what it tells us blue-green requirements. So in cloud, in DevOps, what we are doing is both are same. Both environment is same. There is no separate environment for what? Testing, and there is no separate environment for deployment. Both are same. This is what non-consistency can be avoided. So main thing that. Okay. So please note blue green deployment. Please land on that. Okay, blue green. BLEV, BLEV, green. Green deployment. What is blue? It is nothing but testing environment. Okay. What is green? Development environment. Okay. But it's not implement development environment. Testing and development. Okay. It's not development. Deployment. Here plays Docker. Containerization plays an important role over here. Okay. So, my dear families, I hope that you understand this. This is very basic thing. Okay. This is a black box, and you have to know nothing new we are doing. Okay. Yes. Normal SDLC software development cycle, software development life cycle, which you learned in 10 to 15 years back or 20 years back, same thing we are using here. But we are going to increase the productivity and we are going to reduce the cost by that. What is that? You see? Automation. That's it. Okay. Just we are going to use some automation. You understand? So I can tell one more example here. As a faculty, you see, calculating the mark, you will be using what? You will be correcting the paper manually. Everything will be correcting the paper manually, and you will write in the paper. Again, you will sort that. Take more time, Now, if you create a Google form for that, it will reduce time. Will be reduced to what? Nearly 20%. Yes or no? That's it. That's it. Yes. Okay. But we are correcting the paper, no? We are correcting the paper. But we are using some automation. Or you can see this, so you can think like this also. You are correcting the paper and you are writing the marks in the paper. Okay. According to your roll number, you are writing the mark in the paper. Now, if you want to find how many students got less than 20 marks, you have to count 1, 2, 3, you have to count. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. But if you are using Excel, just sort it. One button you have to click. You do this. This is the thing we are doing. Okay, this is the thing we are doing. Now, I hope everyone understand what is software development life cycle. Now we are going to see what is DevOps. Okay. So what is DevOps? It is nothing but Dev plus Ops. Previously we see that black box is there and finger pointing will be there between whom? Development team and operation team. Development team will blame the operation team and operation team will blame the development team. Now here what to do? Both will be integrated. Both will be collaborated. By how? Automation tools. Okay. DevOps is software engineering culture and practice that aim at unifying software development and software operation team. So both software development and software operation team is collaborated or joined. Togetherly, they are working for the project. Previously, it is separately they will work. So development team, they will give the project to the implementation team. They will configure the software, everything they will do that, and they will deploy the application. Now both are jointly, both are working. Okay. Already I mentioned this point. Dev and ops work together and share common code. Okay, that's another I love to mention. This is another thing. Consistency is there. Okay, previously I mentioned that there is no consistency between what? Build and deployment or blue green deployment. Okay. So here consistency will be there. Why consistency will be there? Since we are using some automation. Okay. Time and cost. Okay. Time and cost. So this is very simple only. You can have it. Okay. Now, so now what I am going to do is, I am going to categorize the automation tools or DevOps tools into 3 categories. Okay, this is my one. Okay, this is my. You go to the internet now, you can find different categories. Okay, myself, I have categories into what? Source code management. So what will come there? Source code management. What will come? GitHub will come. Okay. Configuration and provisioning what will come? Terraform and the Puppet check. This tool will come. So Terraform is for what? Provisioning or configuration? Provisioning. Okay. Terraform is for this tool. Now you see each and every cloud service provider, they have their own tool. As well as biceps. So actual biceps. So using that you can create using the code you can create some infrastructure in Azure. Similarly, AWS also some other tool is there. I don't know that one. Later I will. Then similar Alibaba cloud also another tool is there. But Terraform is a common tool. You understand? So for using for project. Then configuration, Ansible, Puppet, Chef. Okay, these are the provisioning. So now here you have to know the difference between configuration and provisioning. It's very important. Already I mentioned that. What is the difference? Configuration is creating the resource or virtual machine. You are creating a virtual machine. Provisioning is what? Installing some additional software to the virtual machine. You will tell us what provisioning. Then containerization and monitoring. What is this containerization? Docker container. So you are creating an application as a package, okay, and you are going to deploy that in the container. As a container, you are going to deploy. You understand? So if you want to learn about containerization, containerization, you have to know what is virtualization. Okay, maybe lots of other. If I explain that, it will take another 1 hour. Okay, so I am not going to explain. Okay, containerization and monitoring. Containerization is nothing but what are the softwares required for application? Everything you are installing and you are creating a package. It's ready to deploy. Okay, the package is ready to deploy as a container. You understand? So at last I will share one video for you. I have done one video for this container session. I will share that. You can watch that. You can get more insight on that. Okay. Now, first we are going to see about source code management. GitHub. Okay. I am not going to again. It's a huge repository. 15 million developers are there. Okay. So as a faculty, okay, including myself, I am telling. Okay, since I am faculty now, including myself, you have to know how to create, how to work with GitHub. Very, very important. Okay, but you see, the project when you are working the project now, your time will be reduced to 20%. Okay. You see, now how will evaluate the project now? They will bring in the pen drive. It's not Google Drive, they will share. Now what you can do now, if they update it in the repository, immediately you can view the project. You can view the reports. Immediately you can use it. Okay. So you have to know this thoroughly, so I will explain it. All of you created GitHub account. All of you have GitHub account. You know how to configure the GitHub desktop? No. Just you created GitHub. Yes. You uploaded file? No. You uploaded file from your local machine? You have done commits? No. Please respond. Why I am telling no? I will explain that. That's what I am asking. I am telling that no GitHub account is there. You uploaded any file? No. Whether you uploaded any file from your local machine? No. 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 Okay. Then I will explain that. So I am not spending more time on this. Now, configuration and provisioning tools. Okay. Already I mentioned that. Okay. So here Terraform is very, very important tool. Why I am telling you, as a cloud developer, you have to create. You see, I work in one of the project. We need 1,000 machines. Virtual machines we have to create. 1,000 virtual machines we have to create. You see, 1,000 virtual machines we are creating manually. How long will it take? You think that five member team is there or 10 member team is there? How long will it take? Just take a guess. You understand? 1,000 virtual machines I have to create in the same configuration. How long will it take? Minimum? Any guess? Tell me. It will take 1 day? No, it will take more than 1 day. 1,000 machines. Okay. Now, 1,000 unique machines, unique configuration machines. Okay. So now you see here, I have to change one configuration. What I have to do? I have to change in all the machines. Again, to destroy the machines, to terminate the machines, what I have to do? Individually, I have to terminate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1,000 machines. How long it will take again? It will take for terminating the machine, no, it will take nearly 1 day. You see, we are paying for a second. Each and every second, it is a cost for the organization. You see what will happen for the organization? What will happen? The billing will be huge. Billing will be there. You understand? So here comes Terraform. Okay. So you can write the code, Terraform code, infrastructure as a code, coding you can write. So what is advantage of coding? Just you run that, it will create the infrastructure. It will create the resource in the cloud service code. Okay, you understand? So this is what configuration and provisioning. So I will explain that. Okay. So continuous integration, continuous delivery. So what is continuous integration and what is continuous delivery? Now already I explained that what is the role of implementation team? Combining the project and deploying the project. Yes or no? Okay. That will be done by this. Continuous integration. Integrating the project. That's what implementing the project. Integration. And deploying the project. Okay. Here comes Jenkins. Okay, this is one of the important thing here. Nowadays, nobody is using this. Now, I hope you know GitHub actions. GitHub actions, you know that we use. In GitHub itself, one option is there. GitHub actions. So, if you do some changes in GitHub automatically, the application will be deployed in the cloud. You understand? Now, this Jenkins is not here. Understand? Olden days, no, I worked with 5 years back, no, I worked with, no, 4 years back, I worked with Jenkins. Okay. So now we are not using Jenkins. It's not that. In GitHub itself, some option is there, but GitHub actions. Using that, what we can do now? If you enable that option, if you are changing the code in the GitHub repository, automatically the program will be deployed in the cloud. Okay. So it is not data down. So now containerization. Okay. So I already mentioned this. I hope you learned this already. Yes or no? You got something. Okay. Now can you tell me what is Kubernetes? What is the purpose of Kubernetes here? Orchestration. Controlling the container. Okay. It's nothing but command. Close kubelet or kubectl. Using kubectl, we will supply some command and you are managing the container. Docker container. We manage it. That's what Kubernetes. It's the orchestration of monitoring. Okay. So I'm not going in detail about this since it will be a repetition for you. Now the main part, what is we are going to see infrastructure as a code. This is very very important. The reason is what? Mostly you see I already told one scenario for you. 1,000 virtual machines. It is not 1,000. In some cases no. Some cases you see there are 2,000 virtual machines, or 3,000 virtual machines from organization. You see what will happen if everything be done manually. So we are going for infrastructure as a code. We are writing some code in Terraform and we are going to run it. See, design and put infrastructure component. We are going to design and put some infrastructure component such as network, virtual machine, server load balancer. Everything we are going to create in a code, and we are running the code. You understand? So that what is another advantage? We can find the mistake easily. Okay, if it is code, no. If a mistake is there, it will show that error. Okay, it reduces the time and cost. Okay, automation tools, no. Terraform, Ansible, Puppet, and all this are. Now you see it will reduce the cost. You see, it will reduce the cost. It will reduce the time and increase the productivity and quality. It's very very important value. When you are going to organization, productivity is very very important and cost. You see, why the organization is moving to cloud is nothing but the production productivity and the cost. They have to reduce the cost. Then only they can give a good salary for you. So no, if you are going to work in a process or big companies, no. If they want to provide a good salary for you, they want to reduce the operational cost. Yes. And they increase the productivity. So they have to implement the project fastly. So within 1 month or 2 months, they have to implement the project. So that they will get money for that project. So that they will give salary for that. Okay. So it is an open source orchestration tool. Okay, by Gavaskar, and it is developed using Golang. Golang. Anyone hear about this language? Golang. It's a new language, no? Nowadays, many projects they are developing using Golang. Okay, you have please learn this, please note this, and have a look on this language. Okay. So we are very simple. We are creating the code configurations. Okay. So what machine you need? What CPU you need? What is the RAM size you need? Okay. All the things you are configuring in a test file, and you are saving that file in a .tf extension. Okay, .tf. Okay, and you will be running there. So that what will happen? The infrastructure will be created in any of the cloud service provider available. You understand? We support AWS, GCP, Azure, You see, here you have to know one more thing. The advantage is we can plan the infrastructure. You see, before creating, it will display the plan for you. So you see, if you are written a code for creating 100 virtual machine, think that. So it will display the plan, how many virtual machine will be created, where it will be created. I will show that also to you, okay? Where it will be created. So by seeing the plan, we can think that, oh, this is the. If you want to reduce the resource, we can reduce the resource. And we can deploy the resource. Okay. So it will create a plan for you. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. So students, already you not again. So Xavier, already you learned this? No. This concept you learned already? No. Yes or no? So I can skip this Terraform. Terraform has come up with two options. Okay, normally before 3 to 5 years back I am using CL. Terraform CL, so I write the command plan Terraform code name you can give, okay, file name you can give, then deploy, run. Now no, this is easy. This is by using Terraform for software as a service application. Okay, it's application, web application. Just you can click the mouse click, so that you can create a plan, you can create part, and you can deploy the application, you can destroy the application, everything you can do. Okay. Okay. Now you see these are the different commands you guys know, but in the industry, no, we will be not using this command. So student, if you are a learner, if you are going to start your learning with the Terraform, you can know this command. Init for initialization, first phase initialization. Okay, then plan. So I already told that you will display the plan. How many resources will be created, everything you will display the plan, then apply. Okay, you are going to apply this in the cloud infrastructure. You are going to create the resource in the cloud infrastructure and finally destroy this what? What is destroy? Deleting the resource. Okay, you are deleting the. So now this is syntax for creating. Faculty already you learned this. You learned this syntax. Yes or no? Syntax they learn. No. Remembering you learned this syntax already? No. So you see here, it's very simple. If you want to create a resource, okay, I have to create a resource. Resource means what? It may be either a virtual machine or load balancer or a switch or a router or any other resource. Okay, if you want to create a resource, you are creating a resource, then provide a underscore resource type. What type of resource? Either it is virtual machine or it is a router or switch you can provide. And the name of the resource you can provide. Okay. Then configuration. What are the configuration needed for that resource? It's a virtual machine. What are the things needed? The size of the virtual machine. What is the CPU capacity? RAM capacity? Storage capacity? All the things you can add. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay. Please take this syntax and be useful for you. I will share this slide. Now I am not going to waste. Okay, then everybody is 10:45. So I will take another 1 hour for demo. Okay, more than 1 hour today. No problem. Okay, now you see. Example, you see the example resource, it's a common syntax. Resource, database is what? It's a service provider. If it is Alibaba, what comes there? Alibaba. If it is Azure, what comes there? Azure. Underscore what instance? It's a virtual machine. Underscore instance is a resource type. Okay. And the example, what is example? It is the name of the resource. And what is AMI? Amazon Machine Image. ISO image. Okay. OS image file I am going to provide. What is the instance type? T2.micro. So I am not going to provide what? RAM size. RAM, CPU. Why I am not providing anything? T2.micro already predefined in some RAM capacity will be there, storage will be there. I will show that also. Okay. So that it will create a machine of this particular type. T2.micro. I think T2.micro is the lowest grade instance in AWS. Okay. This is a thing you have to know. No, if you are learning, or if you know what are the concepts of cloud, it's very simple. It's nothing what rocket science. Very simple. You are going to create a resource. What type of resource you are doing? What are the configurations present in the particular resource? You understand? So this you have to problem. Variables. So what is a variable? What is a variable? What is variable? Fact is, you may be teaching C or C++, Java. You know that, know about variable. No, what is variable? It used to store somewhere. Yes, it has to store somewhere. is A is equal to 10, int B is equal to 20. A is a variable, and it will store 10. B is a variable, it will store 20. Okay. Similarly, here also how to create a variable is variable. What is AMI here? Variable name. Open brace, close brace. Default what is that? 10. What value is the default value you have provided? Okay. Variable instance type default. Now we see what I am going to do here. I am calling the variable. This is the syntax for calling the variable. Now what value will be present for this AMI? This value. You understand? This is the modification of previous program. Previous program directly I have given the instance type, instance name. Here I am creating a variable for that, and I am storing that value in the variable and accessing the variable. You understand? This is it. So what is now you have to know output variable. So what is output variable is? It is used to display the output. Okay. Output IP value is equal to what? Can you tell me what value is displayed here? Instance dot my instance dot public IP means what? What IP is assigned to this particular machine? Okay, you see, whenever you are creating a virtual machine, one public IP will be assigned for this particular virtual machine. So that only we can access that virtual machine. Okay, that IP will be displayed for. That's output variable. You understand? So variable, output variable. Okay, these are the basic thing. So I'm not going detail. If I go detail again, it will take some time. Okay. So now we start. Okay. So before you are going to start the Terraform, you have to know the basic about the cloud. Okay. Then the syntax you have to know, and variable you have to know. You have to output variable. So this you have to know. The rest is very easy one. Okay. Now we are going to Terraform cloud. So you see, I am not going to concentrate on command line interface. Already told that. In the first, before starting the session, I told that we are not going to see about CL. CL is what? Command line interface. So you have to type set of commands. So again, remembering the commands is very tedious for me also. Okay, for everyone. Yes or no? So as a student or as a faculty, you have to know. If you go for interview, if the grading was for the interview, if you just SAS application, no, it will be a technical problem. In the interview, no, they will not ask the SAS application. They will ask what? They will ask what is in it, what is plan, what is called. Okay. But as a developer, no, we should be doing it. Mostly, no, myself, no, I will not be using the command. I hate that. I will be using our tools for that. Now you see. app.terraform.io. This is a URL. So here, packages, if you want, you can create a free account here. I have done that. So if you want, I can show that also. Okay. You can create an account. Okay. So now it's done. Okay. So what now? We have to go to the demo part now. So what are the things we just can you have a short recap? What we have seen here is simple. So just to start with software development. Okay, don't leave all the other. Okay. So software development life cycle is a basic thing for DevOps. Okay. Again, some history is there. Who developed this DevOps? So please remember that some two people are there. They only developed this DevOps concept actually. Recently only they developed. Okay. So but nobody at any cost cannot replace software development. It is fixed. Okay. So what is that software development life cycle? Requirement analysis will be there, design will be there, implementation will be there, then deployment will be there, testing will be there, deployment will be there. This is cycle, there is not change. Okay, at any cost. Where the change happens is you are going to implement some tools in each and every software development life cycle. That's the thing. You understand? You are going to implement set of tools. In deployment, you will be using you will be using what? Docker container, Kubernetes. Many apart from this, many other tools are. Okay, please refer the net. Okay, the testing, no, again some other tools are. Design also some other tools are. Everywhere, no, you will be using some set of tools. Just you are replacing the manual task with the tools. So that what will happen? Productivity will be increased, cost will be reduced, time will be reduced. This is the thing. Okay, this is a short summary. What we learned. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we can move to the demo part. Okay, now we see here what I am going to do here. What is this? I am going to create first. Today, I am planning two terms. Okay, I already told that we are going to deal with multiple. Yes. So again, please, while getting the students, no, you get to land multiple jobs. Okay. Why the reason is nowadays, no, the industry is demanding that. Okay. You see, I work with some project, no, where we are using multiple clouds. One service will be, you see, AWS S3. What is AWS S3? Simple storage service. So it is efficient storage, no? It's efficient. So storage will be what? In S3. So AWS. You understand? Application will be deployed in Azure. So we can access the content or image or any file which is present in S3. Okay. Similarly, a database will be Alibaba. Like this, no, there will be a nowadays multiple clouds. Multiple. We start off multiple. So at least no, you can check to land database, Azure, or Alibaba. Okay, that's the thing. That's a key takeaway for you. Okay. Now you see here, what I am doing here is I am going to create a virtual private cloud. Where I am going to create in Alibaba. So what is virtual private cloud? It is a private infrastructure which you are going to create in a cloud service provider's public infrastructure. Okay, you understand? You are going to create a LAN network. In short, that's it. You are going to create a LAN network. Where you are going to create? In Alibaba Cloud or AWS or Azure cloud service provider's infrastructure. You are going to create. That is what it is. Virtual private cloud. Okay. So this term is very, very important. In I think we different names for this in AWS. Okay. So I am speaking about Alibaba is BTC, but different name is there for AWS and different name is there for Azure. Okay. Now this is what subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. I am creating 3 subnets. Okay, and you see the IP CAD rotation /24 10.0.1.20 /24 is one IP address CAD rotation, another CAD rotation, another CAD. You understand? So I am not explaining in detail about CAD rotation. I hope you may know this. So no, class A, class B, class D type of address. This is address is B. Okay. So this is the thing. 3 subnets I am going to create. Okay. You see? Okay. Now this is what I am doing. So first what I am doing is 10 minutes is there. Okay. So what I do is I will run the code which already present. Okay. Later I will tell you how to start. Okay. How to start and from GitHub. Then how to start Terraform Cloud and how to create resource in Alibaba. Okay. So now listen. So first what we have to do is you have to create a response. Okay. You have to create a response. Okay. Now you see this is my response place. Response place. DevOps Terraform. Okay. DevOps Terraform. Okay. So now you see here you can edit this from here also. But actually, if you are going to collaborate with the project, no, you should not edit here. You have to edit from your local machine. If you understand that, I will explain again. Okay, later. Okay, now you see Terraform. Now, what is this? This is a Terraform code. Infrastructure assigned purpose code. The provider is what? Alibaba. Okay. Now I am going to create infrastructure where in Alibaba Cloud. Okay. What infrastructure? What type I am going to create? Infrastructure private cloud. What CAD cloud? 21. Okay. Somewhere this will be different. No problem. And here I am going to create one switch. Yes. What is the switch? 10.1.0/24. Okay. So in simple, what I am going to do is I am going to create a network. Where? In the public infrastructure of Alibaba Cloud. Now in this case, it has what? Only one switch. Okay. Previously I explained on one diagram. In that how many switches there? Here I have only one switch. First we can try this one. Okay. I got it. I hope you understand this, no? And where I am going to create this, you see, where I am going to create this, China, Egypt. Okay. So already Alibaba Cloud has some infrastructure in Beijing. In that infrastructure, I am going to create a resource, VPC resource. I am going to. Okay. So now I am going to Alibaba Cloud. So again, so I think it will take more time to learn. Now you see, minimum period of 1 day. Then only no sequence. This sequence is there. I can explain really Alibaba Cloud. So comes to work with Alibaba Cloud, you have to know. Okay, this sequence you have to know. Just you listen. Just note. Take a note on this. Okay, I will share some videos to you. Okay, so you can refer that video. Okay. Now you see, I am going to DPC. You see here, the third private cloud. It's Alibaba Cloud console. Now we say VPC. VPC. Okay. So, 5 minutes. Now we say, you see there's this region. Okay, this is region. You see what region is there? Only one resource is there. Only one VPC is present in this region. Yes. Okay. Now I am going to create one more VPC. Okay. Now you have to go to Terraform Cloud. Okay. You see Terraform Cloud. Workspaces. Okay, workspaces. You see DevOps underscore Terraform. So now what we do, you want to configure this Terraform Cloud with GitHub response. You understand? That I will show later. Now I run the application. Okay. After the break, I will show that how to configure Terraform with GitHub response. Again, it is not a rocket science. Most people. Okay. You do not want to write any coding for this. Okay. Now you see, I am going to run. Okay. Now you see, where this coding is present? In the GitHub repository. Okay, it's a code. Okay, now you see. So here I create new. DevOps Terraform. Okay, now you see run. Okay, I am going to run this. So that if I am running this, what will happen? One VPC with one switch will be created there in China. Okay, now we can see this. Okay, run. Now I give some name for this. Okay, XSC1. So I give some name for this. Okay, start. You see, it's plan. I already don't know. We can plan. Plan is running now. But if you are using CLI, what you have to do? You have to type the command for this. Here, this life is made very simple. Okay, our developer life is made very simple by using this kind of tools. Okay, you see, plan is finished. Now you can find. You see, you can find what are the tools to be available. To create. Okay, two resources. You see, oh, some issues there. Okay, warning. Name as artificial intelligence. Okay, the warning is not a problem. Okay. Now you see what are the resources available? All the resources will be there. You see, you can find. Okay, you can plan. So now I am going to apply this. If I apply this, what will happen? Resource will be created in the cloud service provider. Now it will be created. The plan is not be created. Okay. Now you see I am going to apply. Confirm and apply. You see. Now please listen. Here how many resources are there? Only one resource is there. Okay. Now I will run this. Okay. So it's right. Now confirm. Just you have to give some description. Confirm that. Okay. You can cancel this. Waiting for this. Apply. You see? It's apply. Okay. You can find everything. It's create. It's create. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now we can check it here. VPC is created. Is it? It's done. You understand? I come. This is a VPC which is created. Now, how many switches will be there? In this, once you can just click this and you can find it. See, network topology. Once you click network topology, you can find it. You understand how it is easy? This is what nowadays the industry is going. Okay, everything is mostly. You understand? Generating. I hope that you know about generating AI. Yes, you may be working. Yes or no? Everything is now like to be very simple. The fact that we can create some wonderful things with generating AI. We can write some books also using it. We can use that as what? As a co-pilot or as a guide. But we cannot replace our thing. Okay, but you see, if you want to create a book, you see, if you want to have create a book now, it will not give you how to what are the contents should be there. That you are the thing. Yes, but the content, if you are creating a chapters, all the chapters are there, the sub chapters are there. For the sub chapters, you can get the content from the generator. See, so this is creator. One switch is there. You see, one switch is there. Just click this, you can find it. Okay. So that's all for this session. So now after the break, what we are going to see is we are going to create a infrastructure in AWS. So first I will explain similarly. First I will run this, okay, and I will create an infrastructure in AWS. Then I will tell you how to create it. But listen here, one more thing, please. You see, I can destroy the source. You see what is happening. Now you see the source is called here. Okay. Now I can that place is for 1 minute. Okay. So that's or you can see after the break. Now what I can do now, I can delete the resource also. By single mouse click, what I can do? I can delete the resource. Okay, that I will explain after that. Okay, see. Okay. You can create a VPC into private cloud free. N number of VPC can create, that's not a problem. In Alibaba. But if you are creating instance now, each and every single you have to pay. So if it is not needed, now, we do not want to keep that. We have to delete that. So how to delete this? You see here, you can find this option over here. You see destruction and deletion. Okay. Just you click this. Query destroy plan. Okay. So for that you can find how many resources present. Array. Look at this. Listen. You see now how many resources there? 2 resources are there. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to destroy this resource. Now this resource is not here. Just you see you destroy that. This option you can find. Now you can give the name of this workspace. Okay. But addition no, it will ask the name of the workspace. Control query destroy plan. Now you see again you will create a plan and it will destroy. You see create a plan and you have to apply the plan so that the resource will be deleted from the cloud service provider. Okay. Yeah, done. You see it's applied. Confirm. You see now confirm delete. Now you have to give the description. Okay. Delete confirm. Okay. Yeah. Start. Run confirm and also this going to apply. Apply this with the cloud service provider. Okay. It's going to apply. Okay. Yeah, 2 is 1. Now we can find whether the resource is present in the cloud service provider or not. You see, the resource is deleted. You understand? This is something you have to know clearly. Okay, we create a resource. First, we will create a Terraform file. We have to write the configurations. Okay, that's based on the syntax. You have to write the configurations. The resource configuration. You have to first you have to create a resource. Then resource configuration you have to. Okay. Then the typical responsibility you have to place the code. Okay. Then you have to configure the Terraform cloud. You have to run that. Okay. So this is very simple, but if you are using command line interface CLI, the problem is what you have to type the command. That's all. Okay, you have to create. You can download the CLI. Really, you can download CLI. Just you have to type the command. Okay, but this is very easy, no? So we can follow this. Okay. Now listen. The same way. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create an instance in AWS. Okay. So I am going to create instance in AWS. You see how I am going to do. First, I will go to GitHub responsibility. Okay, Gavaskar project. This is my GitHub repository. I have made the repository for this particular Terraform. Yeah, AWS. DevOps, AWS Terraform. Okay, main.pm. The file name is not a problem. Okay, now you see here. Here, what I am going to do is AWS. Provider, AWS. Region you have to provide. Now, resource. What is the syntax for creating the resource? The resource AWS provider name underscore resource type. Here this instance. Here I am not going to create this. Okay. This for a change I am going to create an instance. So what is the instance? I want to do the ISO file. Amazon machine image I have to provide. Instance type I have to provide. Then keyword name. What is the name? Name of this particular machine you have to provide. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Simple code. Now we see how to run this. Listen carefully. To run this, no. Again, you have to know one more thing. Access key and access key secret is there. If you provide that in the Terraform cloud, only you not. Else it will not. You understand? So it is that thing you have to know. So I am going to do that now first in AWS. So first I will go to AWS. So it will be little bit confusing for you since we are going to multiple clouds now. So MFA code is it will ask multi-factor authentication. So we have to provide that also. It's a new feature known but it's in the database. So it's very difficult now without multi-factor authentication. That's what. In authenticator app, when you configure AWS, so each and every time we create a new number. Okay, that number we have to provide here. Then only we can mark. You understand? What I will. Okay, now I will check in my head. Yeah, it's done. Now I will go to the authenticator. You know what is authenticator? What I am telling? You are understanding what I am telling? Authenticator, Microsoft authenticator. You know, if you want to create multi-factor authentication, no, you can do that by using authenticator. It is an app. It is a mobile app. Okay, it is present for Android as well as iOS. Just you can create that so that each and every time you are logging your account, no, one unique OTP will be created. So one time password. Similar to that number will be created. That number we have to provide here. Then only you can log. Okay. So in my case, already number is created. It will be created. Eight, 2, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. Now this is the dashboard of AWS. So you have to know the dashboard of AWS Alibaba Cloud as well is different. Okay, you have to know the dashboard clearly. You see, Alibaba Cloud the dashboard is different. Dashboard is what? The first page. You see, this is the first page of Alibaba Cloud. Okay. Now you go to AWS, again it is different. Okay. So now what I have to do, I will create a access key and access key secret I will create. Okay. Then only I can run this program. Run this Terraform program, I can run the Terraform cloud. For this I need access key and access secret. Okay. And now you see here, usage. What to use this? Just to note the steps, okay? And it will be a little bit confused for you. Okay, no issues. Yeah. Usage easy to research. Okay. Yeah, security credentials. You just click security credentials. Access key. Okay, you have to create access key. Very, very important. No, you see, what I done today, no, yesterday. Yesterday when I am running the code, by mistake, what I have done is I have copied and pasted this access key in the Jitto Kaspa. Okay, immediately now I will away. You have access key and access key secret is exposed in the Jitto Kaspa. So please delete the access key. So I have deleted it. You understand? So the access key was the okay, why the reason is if this access key and access key secret is there, anyone can create any resource in your account. You understand? இது வந்து யாராவது இந்த access key access secret வந்து அவங்க கையில இருந்ததுன்னா அவங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா அதை வச்சு உங்க cloud infrastructure உங்க cloud service providerல வந்து அவங்க வந்து resource create பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்படி create பண்ணா அவங்க என்ன ஆகும்? அவர் billing will be more. Billing வந்து அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க எல்லாமே இதாகும். இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இது மீட்டிங் okay, so now what I will show is I will create a other what purpose I am going to create access key secret. Okay, next. Okay, now tag value. Let's demo. I will some demo. Wait. Create access key. Okay, now done. See, now it's access key. Access key secret is created. Okay. So now you see, I am showing this to you, but you see. இது வந்து இப்போ யாராவது இந்த இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சு அவங்க பண்ணாங்கன்னா they can create any resource in my cloud account. Okay, so I'm believing that you will not do that. Okay, so I'm just continuing this. So just paste it. Okay, so now what I do is I will create this variable in Terraform cloud. So now go here, variables. You see, workspace. This is the workspace I am going to use. DevOps underscore AWS underscore Terraform. Okay. So now variables. Go to variables. You see already it is there. AWS underscore access key underscore ID. Okay. Now you have to edit this. Edit the variable. Okay. Now you have to provide the ID. This is ID. Copy. Sensitive. Now you see, first time it will be visible, later it will not be visible. You see, not visible. Okay. Now I am providing AWS secret key. So this is a very, very, very important concept. Okay. Access key secret. Okay. So now it is done. Access key and now you see here, this is the one of the problem. Before no, previously no, what we will be doing is we will be creating a separate wallet. For storing this no, we will be creating a separate wallet for storing this part, this access key and access key secret, and that we will be including in the Terraform CLI. Now the life is very, very simple in the Terraform cloud. Just what you can do is you can add in this Terraform cloud itself. Okay, so that first time no, you see now you cannot find that. You see. Only you can find access key ID. You cannot find the value. You understand? So, if you think that in your company 5 developers are there, initially if you are confident, no, they even the employee don't know the access key and the secret key. You understand? This is the advantage of using this very, very important. Okay. So, if your security is compromised, it will create a damage, costless damage for the organization. உங்க செக்யூரிட்டி கிரெடென்ஷியல்ஸ் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷனா நீங்க பார்க்கும்போது நீங்க வந்து அதை காம்ப்ரமைஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா டேமேஜ் வந்து எதுக்குமா சான்ஸ் கிடையாது ஹியூஜ் டேமேஜ் ஓகே சோ இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சோ now this here is done now I am going to run this okay over it so now run okay AWS Start. You can see whether it's running or not. Then you now you see listen. Where to go to find the EC2 instance? You see you can find here. How many of you have experience working with AWS? Please raise your hand. Anyone have experience working with AWS console? This is the console. No. Okay, then it is some material only for you. Now click this. Okay. Now it's Mumbai. You see there is no resource. Instance is not running. Okay. So now what I will do is I will check whether it's done. Plan is completed. Plan is completed. Similarly, plan is completed. Now what I will do? I will confirm my data. Create. I am going to create the resource. Okay, confirm plan. If there is no any issue, resource will be created in AWS. Similarly, we can try for Azure also. Now I am not going to try since I have no account with Azure. Okay. So it's AWS now I get more credits. So I can create resource in AWS. Okay. I am in one of the plan. I was in AWS. Okay. It's community builder. So I am an AWS community builder. So I will get some credit. Okay. Yeah, it's create. Okay, it's taking some time. So I think it is created. Okay, you see, you press this. Yeah, you see, instance running. One instance is created. Just we click this. You see, first instance. Okay, first instance. You see here the instance name is what? First instance name is what? First instance. So in AWS, what is created? Our instance is created. It is running. You see, within a minute it is running now. Now what I can do now, in this instance, what I can do is I can deploy any application. Okay, understand? So now what is T2.micro? I will show that also. Okay, so you guys know that also. Then only it is easy for you. So this is our launch instance. Okay, launch instance. You see, different instances are available. You see T2.micro. You see here. T2.micro. What is T2.micro? One virtual CPU is there, 1 GB RAM is there. You understand? You did not want to specify the configurations. Okay, already predefined configuration is there. If you want to deploy a simple demo application, you don't need a high RAM, 2 GB or 3 GB RAM is not needed. Just we need 1 GB RAM. So we can use what we do. Again, it's free eligible. So if you are creating account now, free 1 month, 150 hours you can use free. This T2.net. You understand? So now what? 1.5 everything is there. Okay. So what I am doing is I am just creating this T2.net. So I did not want to provide what? CPU. Number of CPU required, RAM size is required. It's not need to properly provide. You understand? So that's it. Okay. Now you see. Now you see the percent bill. You see, in my bill now, next month bill now, this amount will be debited. Okay. Do that. If I am per second bill ID. So now I'm basically phone bill ID. The instance of the bill ID. Okay. So now what I do is I delete. So how to delete is you go to you see destruction and deletion. Destruction and deletion. You destroy plan. Now you can do the workspace name. Okay. Control. Now it is running. Again you will create a plan and you have to apply the plan. Okay. Okay, faculty, you are finding this as a easy or difficult? It's easy? Yes, very easy. Yeah. But you have to know to work with multiple console. That's very important. Okay, database console, Alibaba Cloud console, all this console you have to Azure console. Okay. Now you see confirm and apply. Very easy. Okay, now the resource will be deleted. Okay. Now we can find whether the resource is deleted or not. Okay. Now EC instance. Okay, I think it is running. Plan is running. You see now instance 0. You understand? Our life is very simple. Okay, we do not want to create an instance one by one. No, we have provided a value manually. We have created a Terraform file and we have just put the configurations over there. Our instance will be created. You see here, you can create in the work instance. For loop, form syntax is also there. Please learn that also. Okay. You see, form what can give me at 1000 machines no. Within a click I can create 1000 machines. If I have to delete the 1000 machines no, I can create the 1000. You understand? That is the advantage of using Terraform. Okay. Now that's all. I think you are clear with the demo. Now we can see how to configure GitHub. Okay. How to configure GitHub repository in your machine. It's very very important. In your machine, I'm saying. Okay. So back you know without the nodes. Okay. Please listen carefully. I will show that to you. So listen. So first I have to delete. First I have to delete the installation which I have. Okay, then I can show you here. Okay. So I will delete that. Yes, okay. Already I have installed all the files here. Okay, control panel. Remove the control panel. So if you are whatever thing I am going to teach for you now. Okay, that's what GitHub repository. If you are comfortable with this, it's a great takeaway for you. Okay, till now, it's a great takeaway for you. You can practice this in your classes or project. It will be very much useful for you. If you try once now, you will understand it. Okay, so that you did not want to ask the students each and every time you submit the report. No, you submit the GitHub, I will check it. I will check it. That's all. Okay. So first the Git. You see, Git is there now. I have delete. I will uninstall this. So that only I can again I will show you how to download and how to install. Okay. Please listen. It's nothing. Okay, you did not want to know the coding, everything. Just mouse click on it. Okay, mouse click you can do it. So just you note the steps. What are the steps I am doing. Now it is done. I have uninstalled all the files. Okay. So now see here. This is my repository. Okay. Gavaskar project. This is my repository. You understand? This is my repository. So now what I have to do is I am going to clone this repository. Okay. I have a repository over here. Now I have to clone this repository in my machine. What is that? Cloning. I have to create this repository in my machine. Okay. And I have to create one repository from machine to this repository. Two things I have. Okay, first thing is what? This repository I have to make available in my local machine. And second one is what? I have to create one repository in this. I have to create one repository in this from my local machine. This is the thing I have to do. Okay. So first what you have to do for that is first you have to download and install Git. Download and install Git. Okay. Please note the steps of practice. Download and install Git. If you have any doubts, immediately please you can ask me. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. Download for Windows. Okay, so you have I told that you will configure GitHub in my local machine. No, for that I need some file. I need some file. So I am downloading Git. Okay, download for Windows. And now this is 64-bit. Okay, you see, you are not most of your machine will be 64-bit only. Yes or no? Yes. Reason is now we are not using that. Nowadays, no operating system also will not support that. You will support only 64. Okay, just you download. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for downloading. Yeah. Okay. Download this. So if you want to configure in your machine, okay, what I am going to do is now I am going to configure GitHub in my machine. For that I have download and install Git. Okay. Please, faculty, please listen carefully and note it. Okay, why I am insisting more is very very important. Okay, but if you go and you think that you can learn from YouTube, or no, it's not possible. Okay, YouTube, no, you say this is a 5 hours video or 10 hours video. You can watch 10 hours videos, you will get time. But this is abstract. So what I am telling you is my experience. I am speaking my experience. Okay, nothing there, nothing else apart from that. Okay, now just you click this. First you install it. Okay, first you install it. Yes. Next. Next. Okay, already some folder is there. Already I uninstalled. No, that folder is already present. No problem. Or I can delete the folder. Okay. Before that, I can delete. See, then else it will create some other problem. Okay. See program files. Sometimes the whole responsibility will be okay. Program files. Okay, delete this folder. So if you are installing first time, no problem for you. For me, no, already I installed, so that this problem is coming. Next, you do not want to choose any option. Next, 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 next. Install. Okay, very simple. If you don't want to go, just you click next, next, next. Okay, next we provide in the notes. Next, next. Now, listen. Now, once JIT is installed, now I can create a repository in the GitHub, from my machine, and I can access the repository which is present in the GitHub in my machine. You understand? Now it's ready. My machine is ready. So now you have to write a code for again. Git commands are there. Okay, commit, roll back, push, pull, command are. So now what I am going to do is without command, how we can do? I will teach that one. Okay, without command, how we can. So if you ask me what is the command, I cannot tell that. என்ன தெரியாது. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? ஏன்னா நான் அந்த கமெண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணனும். இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணனும். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? அதான் நம்ம படிச்சது. இது இங்கிலீஷ்ல படிக்கிறது. Again, when you know the command, I have the command, I have learned the command. I know the concept. So why I have to go and learn it? And I will use the command. I will type the command here. I have to follow it. I will use it. Okay. Now, launch. Git bash. Git bash. Git bash na nama command prompt. We have type down command over. You see, this is a git command. புரியுதா? இந்த கமெண்ட் டைப் பண்ணுங்க. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? இதான் வந்து நார்மல் ப்ரொசீஜர். Okay. So I don't know the command. So I am leaving this. Okay, I am close this. Git bash தெரியாது. சரியா? Now. So I hope all of you understand after this. So first you have to configure your machine with the git. Okay. For that you have to download and install git. This is the first step. Okay. Second step, what you can do is you have to download another software known as GitHub Desktop. Okay, you have to download it and you will install. So that what you can do is you can create a repository in the remote repository, and you can clone the repository from the remote repository in your local machine. It's possible. Okay, now that I am going. Okay. Listen carefully. Now in Google, GitHub Desktop. Just hit it. Download for Windows. Okay. So if you go and add some YouTube channels, surely they will not explain this. They will explain only the command. அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு நிறைய டைம் ஆகும். நீங்க லேட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. லாஸ்ட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு நமக்கு தேவை அப்படி கிடையாது. நமக்கு வந்து வாட் இஸ் மை எய்ம்? எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபைல் அங்க அப்லோட் பண்ணனும். அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபைல் வந்து டவுன்லோட் பண்ணனும். இதான் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி அங்க உள்ள ஃபைலை கிளிக் பண்ணனும். இதான் என்னோட இதுக்கு நான் வந்து கமெண்ட் தேவை. Okay, கமெண்ட் வந்து நான் என்ன வேணும். Okay. So you are download. So already for me I have downloaded already. Again I am downloading one. Okay. So this is one of the tool. Another one tool is also there. If time is there, I will explain that one. Okay. Another one tool is also 2-second tools are. Okay. But I will explain that also. So if you are understanding this, again I am repeating this. It is a great takeaway. Really. இது உங்களுக்கு இவ்வளவு புரிஞ்சுனா என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்க பண்ணணும் உங்களுக்கு நீங்க வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஒன்று 10 பேர் 100 பேர் 50 பேர் கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணி நீங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஈஸி பண்ணலாம். So, families, I hope you understand now. I hope you noted this. So today you have to try this, okay? If you have any issues are there, just you can share the screenshot to the contacts, so I can help you, okay? So now see, I will open. Okay, now you can start. Yeah, now see, it is installed. The desktop is installed. Now it's done. Okay. Now it is done. Understand? Now you see what is happening is already I have this account configured in my laptop. So it is going to another one account bar. For me another one account is there. You see, it is going there. So I have to log out. Okay, you understand? For me, I account let me show you that. The Gavaskar see also. இதுல நிறைய பாலிசி இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? இது என்னோட இன்னொரு account. சரிங்களா? எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? சரிங்களா? 50 responsibility. இது வந்து ஏன் போகுது? Why it is going here? Already I understand no. Before that I configured this responsibility. Okay, so this is going here. Okay, now I think we have to edit. Option. So this is a issue, no problem. Okay, I think I got the troubleshoot. It will take another some time. Okay. So what I do is, listen carefully. What I do is, instead of I use this responsibility arrow. Only I am not. Okay, you understand what I am telling? புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? உங்களுக்கு நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து என்ன உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றது ஜவாஸ்கர் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீ ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் நான் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஆனா என்னோட மெஷின் வந்து நேரா எந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் எதை கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்? ஜவாஸ்கர் 07 என்னோட ஆக்சுவல் இத வந்து நான் கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? அதுபடி உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வராது. ஏன்னா நான் வந்து இது வந்து ஜஸ்ட் இந்த இது வந்து என்னோட ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே இதுதான். இப்போ நான் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பிளாக் செயின் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இதுல வேற ஒரு ஸ்காலர் ஒர்க் பண்றான். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? She is working on this. So this is configured for that. Okay, that's அதான் இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வருது? இதுல பாத்தீங்களா? block chain project வருது பாத்தீங்களா? block chain project வருது. So now no problem. So now you see what I going to do is this is my Gavaskar 07 responsibility. Okay. Gavaskar 07 responsibility. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create a responsibility in this particular account from here. GitHub responsibility. You see how to create file new responsibility. Please okay. Demo exercise demo. Okay. Please okay. இங்க பாருங்க local path வந்து நீங்க கொடுக்கலாம். Okay. Now create responsibility. Now publish responsibility. சரிங்களா? Create responsibility, publish responsibility. Okay. Now you see what happened. So, okay, done. Now you see. Now you go here, you refresh this. Yes, you see. Take some time. not displayed, then it may be இது வந்து பப்ளிக்கா கேட்டா இருக்கும். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? நான் இப்ப என்ன பண்றேன்னா இத வந்து லாகின் பண்றேன். சரியா? இத லாகின் பண்ணி இது வந்து பப்ளிக் கிடையாது. You understand? இது வந்து பிரைவேட்டா கிரியேட் ஆயிடும். Okay, so what I am going to do is again I will log in. Okay. Okay. So we have to do some which is sign out time. Okay, this will create. So now you see, now listen. It was the time of create of pop. Stop. Now what we are going to see is இங்க ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். ஏற்கனவே ஒரு பப்ளிக் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். அந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் நீங்க நோட்ல கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன்னு பண்ணலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் அது பைதான் PHP இந்த வாஸ். இந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பப்ளிக் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ். இத வந்து நீங்க கான்ஃபிகர் பண்ண பாருங்க. How to do that? Fine. So how to do that? Listen. You click this. Okay. PHP with the was. Just you click this. Code இங்க வரீங்களா? Just you copy this. Copy this. Okay, copy this. Now go to desktop. File. New repository. No. File. Clone repository. Okay. Right click. இங்க வரீங்களா? இங்க வந்து டிஸ்ப்ளே வரீங்களா? அங்க ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எல்லாமே இங்க டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகும். ஓகே. இங்க வரீங்களா? ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் என்ன ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எப்ப கிரியேட் பண்ணது? இப்போ கிரியேட் பண்ணது? வரீங்களா? அது அங்க டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகும், இங்க டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகும். Understand? So now I am cloning PHP with Gavaskar. இந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எங்க க்ளோன் பண்ண போறேன்? என்னோட மிஷின்ல PHP with Gavaskar. Where CD git repository PHP with Gavaskar. Clone. Okay. Listen. Ipo பாருங்க. Start. Okay. Now we go to D git repository PHP with Gavaskar. You click this. பாத்தீங்களா? இந்த ஃபைல் வந்திருக்கா? இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? இங்க ஒரு ஃபைல் ஆட் பண்ணணும். Now I am going to add one file also. You understand? So this file has to be updated where? In the repository. Okay. New test file, small test file. New file. சும்மா ஒரு ஏதாவது சும்மா கண்டென்ட். Okay. Some content I am going to type. File save. Okay. So now I have done where I have done the change in my local machine. Now this has to update where in the repository. Now you see what is happening. You open this desktop. பாத்தீங்களா என்ன அப்டேட் பண்ணிட்டு வருதா? இதெல்லாம் அப்டேட் பண்ணது. You understand? Now what we are going to do? Commit to main group. Push button. You understand? Everything is mostly. ஆனா இது எல்லாமே வந்து ஆக்சுவலா வந்து git bash பண்ணீங்கன்னா because this git bash you are going to have comments. You understand? புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? இது பாருங்க இப்போ push login. இப்போ பாருங்க. அங்க சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். அந்த ஃபைல் ஆட் ஆகும். You understand? Now you can see that. ಇದನ್ನ PHP with Gavaskar. ஃபைல் இருக்கா? ஃபைல் ஆடாச்சா? You understand? This is the magic. Okay, you see, it's very very important. உங்க டேக்னிக்கல் இருக்கும்போது கண்டிப்பா வந்து இப்போ நான் வர்க் பண்ற காலேஜ் இதே சினாரியோ தான். ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. நம்ம ஒரு கிரியேட் பண்ண வைக்கணும். You understand? So even like you made very simple. You understand? So நீங்க ஒரு கோர்ஸ் போறீங்க. கோர்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு இதே மாதிரி ஒரு டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணி கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. கிரியேட் பண்ணி ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி கிரியேட் பண்ணி ஆடியோ டு ஆஸ்க் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் டு கிரியேட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இத கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. Then you enter. You will add all the content here. You understand? It's very simple. Again, Google Drive is also there. Apart from this, if you are working with program, so some programs in the labs now, you can efficiently utilize this resource. So that amount என்ன கோடிங் பண்ணிருக்கு உங்களுக்கு பாருங்க. நீங்க அத வச்சு எவாலுவேட் பண்ணுங்க. Okay? Got it? You understand this? What I saying? புரியுதா? Okay. Any doubt on this? Doubt இல்ல? ஒரு doubt பண்ணணுமா? ஒரு doubt one more time I have to do. Yes or no? Why I am telling is this will be a key taker. Okay. There is no compromise in that. Okay. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் லேர்ன் பண்ண பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி ஒரு 6 months 7 months கண்டினியூஸா வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணி லேர்ன் பண்ணுங்க. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? ஒர்க்கிங்ல லேர்ன் பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So now one more tool. Shall we see one more tool? ஒரு tool ஓட பாப்போமா? source screen ஒரு tool பாப்போமா? அது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கு. கிராஃபிக்கலா இருக்கு. source screen ஒரு tool வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கிராஃபிக்கலா உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணி எல்லாம் எப்ப கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கு எல்லாம். Okay, now you see. So now you see here I am going to do one change over here. Now all of listen here. இப்போ இந்த ஃபைல் எங்க இருந்து சேவ் பண்ண போறேன்? இங்க இருந்து நான் சேவ் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, now இங்க பாருங்க இங்க எடிட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ பாருங்க நான் ரெடி பண்றேன். Edit. So I will add one more file over here. Okay, add file, create new file. File name new 1 2 3 start test. Okay, some file I am going to add. Come change. Progress. Save. Okay. Now where I add the file in the repository. Now where I get this file? Email open it. You go to the so some issue is there. It takes some wait. Where I got new file. It's not done now. File is not active. Heading comment பண்ணணும் பாத்தீங்களா? அதான் add file. Create. So I will upload one file. Okay. I want to add file, upload. I will upload the file from here. Upload is the same. And I will add one file. Right. Okay. Now is sir. I think some I don't know some more story. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? சரி. ஓகே. சரி. நீங்க உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுனா what is this? You here again you have to know pull push commit. Okay. Pull means what? Getting the file from the repository. Push means what? Pushing the file from your local machine to the repository. Commit means what? Commit na அந்த file வந்து சேவ் ஆகும். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? That's commit. Okay. So I hope you understand this. So please you write that tool and you learn DevOps. வந்து டைம் ஆகும். அந்த டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி டைம் ஆகும். நான் வந்து Terraformல வந்து எப்படி இந்த இத வந்து கான்ஃபிகர் பண்ணது. Now how I run the Terraform cloud. I have configured GitHub repository that I will. Okay. After that, if time is there, I will explain source tree also. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay, now you see workspace. Yeah. Now design carefully. How to create a workspace? Okay. First, what you have to do is you have to create a workspace. Okay. A new. So already I have created 3 workspace. Okay. New workspace. You understand? Once I create, but Terraform cloud account. உங்களுக்கு நான் வீடியோ இருக்கு சரியா? நான் கிரியேட் பண்ண வீடியோ காமிக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா இது வந்து Terraform cloud வந்து ஒரு Terraform cloud வந்து அக்கவுண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்றது. Alibaba cloud account கிரியேட் பண்றது. Whole video for 2 hours. I have shared that link. Okay, so that you can see how to create account in what? Terraform cloud. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? So இந்த Terraform cloud நீங்க account create பண்ண பிறகு you have to create a workspace. Okay. So here first what you can do is version control upload. You can select. Plus fabric space is a new workspace. You have to choose version control upload. Why version control upload? I am going to configure GitHub here. So if I want to configure Jenkins CLI continuous integration, CLI application. Okay, understand? If now version clear. Now you see GitHub you have configured. Integrate the GitHub. Just you click this. You see automatically it is coming. Here. Why it is coming? Already I have configured here. இப்போ நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு வந்து யூசர் GitHub user name password வந்து கேட்கும். You understand? For me it will not ask why. The reason is already I have configured. Okay, Gavaskar configured. Now you have to select the response. Okay, DevOps underscore DevOps. Create. Adalah kami ini betul lah underscore. Okay. Now it is done. Now first page is created. First page is created no. Just our what we have to do, we have to run. And the first page run பண்ணா போதும். என்னென்ன டெராஃபார்ம் கோடிங்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து அந்த cloud service provider வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ணுது. Again, this is again. I think this is not a key takeaway for it. புரியுதா? இது வந்து key takeaway கிடையாது. Yeah. What's the reason? இதெல்லாம் this tool is actually used in enterprise. இந்த tool பாத்தீங்கன்னா பெரிய பெரிய enterpriseல யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? இது வந்து சாதா வந்து இப்ப லேண்டிங் பர்பஸ் we will not use this. We will use only CLI. So it is not a key takeaway. GitHub is a key takeaway for. Okay. Now we say it is done. So our space is start a new plan. Okay. Start a new plan. One start. Yeah, you see, it's done. Plan is ready. Now what you can do? You can run that. One. Stop. Now, whether the resource will be created or not. Whether the resource will be created or not. Why? It will not be created. Reason why? I said secret key, access key and secret. Okay, they don't need to look at. It's not. Okay. You see? It's fine, no problem. You see? Not a very differential source for Terraform cloud service provider form. So what is the reason? I have to set the access key and secret. Okay. So for that, this is Alibaba cloud. So how to get that is you see, you have to go to Alibaba cloud. Here okay. So now here RAM. RAM code. You have to go to resource access management. Okay. Uses. Nah, you have to click this. You see, generate access key. Put okay. You have to access key. Okay, you have to get this access key and you have to paste there. You have to paste it. You have to paste it variable. Okay, variables. Add variable. You have to paste it. That's something you have to know clear. So this is not very important. Okay. So can I spare for another 15 minutes so that I can tell you that rule also. This is the rule. Source tree and tortoise tree. Okay, source tree, tortoise tree. That is what we do. Tortoise tree rule of the we use that only in enterprise. I will teach that also. Okay. Now listen. So I hope you understand what we are doing in Terraform cloud. What we are doing? Just we are configuring the repository and we are running the Terraform file. That's the thing we are doing. So if you are running the Terraform file, it will create resource where in the cloud service provider. That's the thing you have to do. Okay. So now we say, now with the GitHub modeling and how to install Git. Yes or no? Then how to install GitHub desktop. So what is the use of GitHub desktop? GitHub desktop எதுக்கு? உங்களுக்கு வந்து அது இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் பாய். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? GitHub desktop வந்து இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் எதுக்கு இன்டர்ஃபேஸ்? அந்த Git plus அந்த repository ஒரு இன்டர்ஃபேஸ். So that I can create a repository there in the remote repository and I can clone the repository in my local disk. This is it. Understand? Now one more tool is there. I will tell that tool also for you. source tree. ஏன்னா இந்த tool வந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். இந்த tool வந்து எல்லாமே graphical ஆக டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகும். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? source free UI for Mac and Windows. Okay. Download also available for Mac OS. Download for Windows. Okay. You see, பாத்தீங்களா எல்லாமே graphical ஆகும். இது வந்து எதுக்கு பயன்படுதுன்னா, you see, in enterprise no, in the project, those 100 people live here in a project. So that you can find யார் எப்ப சீஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, என்னென்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க. புரியுதா? நீங்க எஸ்கேப் ஆக முடியாது. நீங்க ஒரு தப்பான கோனை இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு you cannot escape. You can find it. நீங்க பாத்தீங்களா? என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க எல்லாமே டிஸ்ப்ளே. நீங்க என்னென்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க ஒரு ஆள் இது நீங்க பாத்தீங்களா? ஒரு thing. Okay. So I will show that to you. So now download files. So normally the organization we will use this for tracking who has done the changes. The system ఎలా பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா தப்பான கோடிங் அப்லோட் பண்ணுவாங்க டெவலப்பர்ஸ். இதுல அப்லோட் கோடிங் ராங் கோடிங். 2 மாசத்துக்கு முன்னாடி கோடிங் அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நான் வந்து அப்லோட் பண்ணல. நான் வந்து பண்ணவே இல்ல. நான் கரெக்ட்டான கோடிங் அப்லோட் பண்ண அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்ப நம்ம இத ட்ராக் பண்ணுவோம். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? எப்போ எந்த டைம்ல எங்க இருந்து அப்லோட் பண்ணாங்க இது எல்லாமே வந்து உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகும். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? So now I think it is downloaded. Just you install this. So in your case, no student is telling that I uploaded the file. நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணியாச்சு. நீங்க தான் செக் பண்ணல அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க ஸ்டூடண்ட். அப்படிதானே? Normally the students what they will complain. Okay, that's their nature. Yes or no? Student nature என்ன? Complain. They will complain. So we have to overcome that. How we can overcome that? This we can show that. Now that is it. So I am going to use. This is another. You see, build bucket. This is another responsibility. Similar to GitHub. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? GitHub க்கு வேற என்ன இந்த build bucket. அது இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் அப்ளிகேஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? அதனால தான் நம்ம இத பார்க்கல. இப்போ yes. Yeah, this done. Next. Automatically email is coming. Take the Gmail account. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, source. Yes, so you just open this. Yeah. Now, you see, you are fine. You are clone as well. Okay. Clone. Okay. Now, you are close. This is our path. Okay. The path is where now. You see, click here. PHP with the path. Then we have our path. This is okay. .NET with the path. In the path, we have clone. Now, how to get this? You see here. Code. This is coming. This is coming. This is okay. Okay. So don't get confused. Okay. This is okay. Place. This is okay. Now, in the clone. In your machine, where you are going to clone? Then you have to place code. Okay. It was possibly I create one folder. Okay. Folder. Select folder. Ini guys mah, aktif, bisa berkesan. Itu mulai source. So, any one of the two, you should be familiar with any one of them. Either the desktop or this tool. And one more tool is that, that is what AICTE is. With another company, AICTE. This is easier. Tortoise, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. see that பாத்தீங்களா கிராஃபிக்கல் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்களா எப்போ என்ன பண்ணியல டீடைல் வந்து பாத்தீங்களா understand see இந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் நான் எப்போ கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் 2021 என்னென்ன சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணி எல்லாமே இங்க வரும் பாத்தீங்களா this is a match okay so that developers யாரும் வந்து எஸ்கேப் பண்ண முடியாது புரியுதா இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம் you understand so நார்மலா இருப்பாங்க பத்து ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஒன்று ரெண்டு பேர் வந்து எப்பவுமே கூட லேடி இருப்பாங்க அது ஒரு காரணம் இன்னொரு காரணம் நான் கரெக்டா போறீங்க அப்டேட் பண்ணேன் நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்றீங்க they will like that okay so we are tackle them how we can tackle them is this is everything you can find you understand புரியுதா யாரு யாரு அப்டேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க நான் இந்த அமிர்தா காலேஜ் வர்க் பண்ணும்போது இந்த இது நான் வந்து இந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணேன் அங்க யாரு இந்த இடத்தை அப்டேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு அதான் அமிர்தா பாத்தீங்களா you understand now I am seeing this okay got it you understand this is the thing happening okay now you see you can pull push so pull means what already I told what is pull from the response you are getting that what is push so I will show you pull and push okay listen carefully again the response tree dot net இங்க பாருங்க ஒரு புது ஃபைல் ஆட் பண்ணலாம் சரியா நோட்பேட் so I think already is there no so now you see here you can find something related with this column wait what is this is nothing but the file is synchronized so responsive name உங்க லோக்கல் மெஷின்ல வந்து அந்த ஃபைல் என்ன இருக்கு சிங்க்ரனைஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படி நம்ம வந்து அப் டு டேட் ஆயிருக்கு புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு இங்க வந்து ரெட்டா இருந்தா what is that the file is not synchronized you understand that also here listen so something I am going to type file save close okay now again I will open the source page you see what is happening see slowing now what change I got you see here 24 August some change I got புரியுதா add file பாத்தீங்களா uncomplete changes இப்போ இப்படி இருக்கு 24 August 12 19 வந்து நாம சேஞ்ச் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் என்னோட மெஷின்ல பண்ணிருக்கோம் புரியுதா இது அங்க ரெஸ்பான்ஸ்ல இருக்கா இது ரெஸ்பான்ஸ்ல அப்டேட் ஆகல இல்ல so now what I will do this push I have to push this okay see I have to push so now you see again some complete changes no problem okay now you see we can check that okay there the file is updated or not we can check okay it will be updated so again we have to do something over here right click come so I got it okay good so please do this if you are pulling if you are committing only it will update so come புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு இது ஒரு மெசேஜ் come இது ஒரு மெசேஜ் so இங்க சும்மா ஒரு மெசேஜஸ் கொடுக்க கூடாது புரியுதா you see you have to know this இதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மெசேஜஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து டாக்குமெண்டேஷன் இருக்கு புரியுதா நம்ம எப்படி நீங்க வந்து மெசேஜ் பண்ணனும் if you are going the industry no இதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் புரியுதா கமெண்ட் சரிங்களா now you see comment now you see comment okay now you go here you can find this file it's updated but it will take some more time push okay push பண்ணீங்களா கமிட் பண்ணி push பண்ணனும் சரி now push so மாத்தி சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணனும் இங்கே வரும் புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு அதுலயே காணும் அப்ப நீங்க வந்து அதுக்கு எப்படி மாத்தி பண்ணாலோ இங்க வந்து அப்டேட் ஆகும் புரியுதா டாக்குமெண்ட்ல you understand this is the thing very simple your life will be very simple by using source புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு that's all இது வந்து என்ன இருக்கு டாடா ஸ்டிக் ஒன்று இருக்கு பட் நான் அதை நீங்க இப்படி தான் என்னோட விஷயத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா டாப் லைன் தான் போறேன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா டாப் லைன் இது வந்து சரிங்களா டாப் லைன் இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா as ஒரு என்டர்பிரைஸ் நீங்க வர்க் பண்றீங்கன்னா ஈச்சா கண்டிப்பா நீங்க இது சொன்னா உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட்டா வரும் ஏன்னா எப்படி வர்க் ஆகும் பாருங்க லிசன் கேர் ஒன் மாதிரி நான் இந்த டாப் லைன் எப்படி வர்க் ஆகும்னா ஃபைல் இங்க பாருங்க நான் இங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபைல் டாட் நெட் சரியா டாட் நெட் இங்க இன்னொரு ஃபைல் கிரியேட் சரியா இன்னொரு ஃபைல் Gavaskar சரியா Gavaskar ஒரு சேவ் பை சேவ் now you see இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த டூல்ல போய் நீங்க பண்ண தேவை லிசன் கேர் this is a difference of startizing go to D drive it repository net இத ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்களா இத ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்களா ஜிட் கமெண்ட் டு மீ இந்த ஆப்ஷன் உங்களுக்கு டைரக்டா வருது இவங்க சமாளிலே நீங்க சோர்ஸ் ட்ரீல போய் பார்க்க தேவை so if you are using source tree you will go to the source tree and you will check that yes or no you will check that but here this option is there you see here git commit option is long also இப்போ இங்க ஏதாவது ஃபைல் வந்து அங்க சிங்க்ரனைஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா இங்கே காட்டும் so குணாவை நம்ம காட்டும் you understand this is the thing that no clear thing okay now I am running this so as a developer no what you do is இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இந்த கோட் நான் அப்டேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அப்ப இந்த கோடிங் மட்டும் தான் இந்த ஃபைல மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு தேவை அப்லோட் பண்ணனும் ஜிட்ஹப் அப்லோட் பண்ணனும் தெரிஞ்சுனா நான் அந்த கோட் அந்த இத மட்டும் ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணி நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணிடுவேன் இது உங்களுக்கு சோ இந்த என்டர்பிரைஸ் நோ யூ யூஸ் டாடாஸ் பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் நீட் ஃபார் யூ வில் கெட் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஏற்கனவே இது ஓவர்லோட் ஆயிடுச்சு ஜாவா ப்ரோகிராமிங் ஆகும் ஓவர்லோடிங் ஆயிடுச்சுனா வேர் ஓவர்லோடிங் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் yes ஆர் எப்படி பண்றீங்க இந்த क्वेश्चन கேக்குறேன் புரியுதா ஓவர்லோடிங் ஓவர்ரைட்டிங் ஜாவா what is overloading overloading என்ன where it happens overloading within a class where overriding happens parent class child overloading னா ஒரே மெத்தட் நேம் நிறைய இடத்துல ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுவீங்க அதையும் ரிப்பீட் செய்வீங்க அதே மாதிரி இங்க நம்ம வந்து உங்க ஓவர்லோட் பண்ணா it will get confused okay so at the meantime what are the things we have done with jitka so it's a great idea for yes or no so jitka you will install first if there is no jitka account for you you have to create jitka account first thing then first you have to install jit yes or no yeah நீங்க இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணனும் உங்க விஷயம் அதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணனும் jitka desktop இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணனும் அல்லனா இது இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணலாம் source tree இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணனும் ரெண்டுல ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு நீங்க இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணலாம் புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு அடுத்து வந்து என்ன எல்லாமே மோஸ்ட்லி தான் நீங்க எதுவுமே வந்து கோடிங் வர தேவையில்லை புரியுதா புரியுதாமா எல்லாமே மோஸ்ட்லி அதே பாட்டு இப்போ ஒரு ஃபைல் செய்யணும் அதே வரும் நீங்க அதை கிளிக் பண்ணா போதும் அந்த ஃபைல் வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் அப்லோட் ஆகும் அதே மாதிரி அங்க நீங்க ஒரு ஃபைல் அப்டேட் பண்ணி இங்க காட்டுவோம் இங்க புஷ் பண்ணலாம் புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு this is the thing happening okay so I think you are enjoy the session yeah next time okay so any doubts for you so I have overloaded yes so now you are to do one thing just you try this in your home you try this and if any issues are there you can send that screenshot to the coordinator if possible like that so that's all students that's all faculties thank you for your cooperation and once again I get thank the college management as well as HOD and madam for giving a chance like this thank you.
Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Even though he is far away from the thing, that is, I have included the mail in the proposal. So immediately he accepted and came here for the half-day session. And within the half-day, he covered so many things, so many tools. So I think he said you are overloaded. Time permits, he could do so many hands-on sessions. So thank you, sir, for having this wonderful session. So now we have two more things, that is other formalities. Afternoon, we have a feedback session, then tips, and then the assessments like article summary and also the teamwork. So three things you have to submit it. After that, attend the validation function and get the sign and also the remuneration. EA. The important thing is you log into the ATAL FTP portal where you have applied. There they will generate a feedback. That's a mandatory thing. To get the certificate, it is very, very essential. So you can put the feedback now. After that, you can do the quiz and assessment what I have shared with the WhatsApp. Okay. And so far, I have shared 3 PPTs. Second day PPT I have given to you. Fourth day PPT. The first day as well as the Thomas Subramanian sir he will send. Then the third day and today I collected. Time stress management already I have collected. So everything I will post it in the ATAL FTP. Okay. And till this group can have it till the certificate generated because we get the certificate from the portal. Okay. So once I complete all those things, I have to upload it with marks. We need to complete the feedback. So after that, only they will check it and they will generate it for certificate. See, it's around one weeks or 2 weeks. We have to wait there. So still you can continue the same. And if you have any personal feedbacks, you can give the feedbacks here.